Hello classes, let's start the labeling of important rivers and lakes of India.
Yes class, this is river map of India. Here the line which is going through our country. This is what in last video I have told you. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. 23 and a 23.5 degree north. Here is this. This is river Indus. And river Indus, it originates from Mansarovar. Here this is Jhelum, this river. This river is Jhelum. Then after this is Ravi. This river Ravi. This Ravi. Then Satluj. Satluj. River Satluj. This is river Satluj. This is river Satluj. This is river Ganga. River Ganga. Here is Yamuna. Yamuna. Here is this river is river Brahmaputra. 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 Okay, this river is Brahmaputra. Then this is river Narmada. Narmada. This is Tapi. Here is this river Mahanadi. Mahanadi. This is Mahanadi. Godavari. Godavari. Here is this is Krishna. This is Kaveri. Kaveri. Okay, this is Kaveri. Now lakes. Chilika Lake. Here is Chilika Lake. Here is Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake. Then Kolleru Lake. Here is Kolleru Lake. Now Pulicat Lake. Pulicat Lake. Okay, Pulicat Lake. Kolleru Lake and Chilika Lake. One river is there in southern part of India. Here, river Tungabhadra. River Tungabhadra, this is rain-fed river. Okay. Here, there is river Tungabhadra. River Tungabhadra. It means Tungabhadra is the tributary of river Krishna. It joins. Okay. Tungabhadra joins larger river. It means Tungabhadra is the tributary of Krishna, river Krishna. Class, let's cross check the answers of the exercises from lesson number 5, minerals. Value based questions, they are, let's see, let's take out page number 85 which you have done in book. Let's cross check. The use of coal should be discouraged, give reasons. You are doing in book, so no need to write. You just write reason. Because it causes environmental pollution. It releases carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and other harmful gases. That's why it causes environmental pollution. Number 2, petroleum is referred as liquid gold. Give reason. Because it has multiplicity of uses like domestic fuel, lubricant and for manufacturing many products. Then after, third one, use of non-conventional energy resources should be encouraged. Non-conventional means renewable. They should be encouraged. Give reason. These can be used again and again and can be renewed in a short time. That's why they should be encouraged. Fourth one, there is urgent need to conserve minerals because our life is dependent on the availability of minerals. That's why they should be conserved. Now fifth one, mica is the most indispensable mineral used in electronic industries. Explain. Mica has an excellent dielectric strength, insulating properties and high resistance. That's why this is the most indispensable mineral used in electronic industries. Okay, electronic industries. Match the columns. Your sequence will be 4, 1, 5, 2, 3. Again 4, 1, 5, 2, 3. Fill in the blanks. First one, rock and oil. Second one, oil open pit. Third one, Appalachian or Seattle regions are famous for the production of coal in USA. Fourth one, iron and gold. Fifth one, coal and mica. 6, copper. 7, Chile. 8, aluminium. Now MCQ. First B, second A, third B, fourth C, 5 A. Now here you have to identify the mineral or the metal. Most important resources of energy, coal, known as liquid gold, petroleum. C, it is a radioactive substance, uranium. D, iron. E, copper. F, aluminium. G, limestone. It is a basic input in cement industry. Limestone. It is made up of series of plates. Mica. Known as international currency. Here you will write gold. If the question will be used in currency, that time you will write silver. Used in currency, silver, but known as international currency, here you will write gold. Used for making ornaments. Used for making ornaments, gold, silver.
That's all for the day. Thank you.